First of all, I want to say congratulations to all of you for visiting our page for the first time. It means that you have got a strong, tallest, and burning desire to make a career in the export trade business and make yourself successful billionaire exporter. From so many days, or might be from so many years, this strong, tallest, and burning desire to make a career in export import trade business is in your mind. But there are reasons why you're holding yourself at the same place from so many years. This might be because you're not having a complete information, knowledge, skills, and wisdom, and you are also not showing 100% confidence on yourself. And it might be because you have got bad influence, people's opinion, misbeliefs, doubts, insufficient, unfounded, dubious, threatening misinformation. Because of this, till today, you have lost so many career growth opportunities in the export imported business and also lost a great opportunity to be a billionaire exporter. So, dear friends, don't worry at all because we have bought an exhaustive, interactive, and informative 1 day, 4 hours workshop called Exim Trade Business Success Mastery Workshop for you, wherein you will be answered all your doubts and queries. This 1 day, 4 hours workshop would be life changing, life transforming, mesmerizing workshop and is going to change your life drastically and also would change your life in direction and status. Hello friends, my name is Kishore Sanav. From last 25 years, I work in export import, custom clearing, freight forwarding, shipping, logistics, CST, GST, VAT, central excise, customs, and all such commercial domains at various MNCs like Tata Telecom Systems Limited, United Technologies, Repro India Limited, Technology Limited, about 25 years at topmost positions and had a great enriched experience about import export and more than 1000 crores of export and more than 1000 containers export within a month. Why one must enter into the export import trade business? In the export import trade business, we can earn highest profitability ranging from 20% up to 1000%, and thereby the growth in vertical, horizontal, and exponential direction is guaranteed. So to start an import-export business and to make it successful, you require in-depth and complete information, knowledge, skills, and wisdom. And apart from this, you also require tools, techniques, steps, processes, strategies, plannings, and also the successful loop. You might have gathered so many countless questions and queries into your mind about the export, which might relate to the mentorship base, doubt base, or knowledge base. Some of the questions and queries into your mind might be like this: what is import export? Why we should export? How can we select a product which is having maximum profitability, maximum demand in the international market? Out of 198 countries, how can we find out the countries having maximum demand for our product and are giving maximum profitability? How can we find out genuine, solvent, and creditworthy buyers, importers from such countries? How can we find out the supplier and supplier market in our country? How can we find out the supplier and supplier market in other country for doing the third country export? How can we insure our cargo? How can we insure our payments? Do we get export benefits from the government? Do we get export finance from the banks? How can we make our business most profitable and grow in a billionaire export company? Such and such many questions might have gathered into your mind. And all your such questions and queries will be answered in our 4 hours live workshop. Not only that, we are going to show you live how to find out the best importing countries, how to find out the best genuine importing buyers, how to find out and select most profitable and highly demanded product. As the seats are limited for this workshop, I request all of you to register and reserve your seats now. Friends, then let's meet in our 4 hours live workshop called Exim Trade Success Mastery Workshop. And let's start the export import trade together and make our India proud by taking it to a greater height so that it can become number one largest exporter. It can become number one largest economy in coming year.